Hey there, Jamers, it's K-Pop over here, and today I am here with another clan video, and today we are going to see what happens when somebody is injured.
I'm a moonwalking kangaroo.
So the fox is the one who is injured.
Yeah, Clarelight. It's a badger took by surprise, apparently. That's what she said. Apparently the leader is now a kangaroo, which is awesome. I'm gonna moonwalk again. Because, our Megden...
The fox, her injury was that the back of her neck was completely torn off.
Yeah, it's a little bloody series.
Yeah.
But it happens. It happens. I mean, we have the best medicine cats ever.
How many?
The best med cats. We have like 4 different med cats. And they're all like super good. So, yeah.
You know, I could help too. What?
He's a moonwalking kangaroo now. Kangy now.
Okay, so let's see if that fox is better.
The fox is better. Is better. Is better. Yeah. Political.
What the heck? Okay, so let's see if the fox is better, which... Ew. I hope she gets better and survives.
She'll be okay. Darkstar's really good at getting eyes back. Don't ask me, I think he's magical. I think he is secretly magical.
Okay, and which one is Darkstar?
He's off right now, but
Ew.
BRB.
Okay, well, I guess that was it for so I guess that was it for how medicine cats would treat injured cats. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, like, leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below in the comments box. And that's it. Bye.